Now you might be exploring a topic called how to change someone, but in this video I am talking about how to work with someone, and I have 6-step process to achieve that goal. The first step is take responsibility of getting your work done. Many times we start complaining. You may start thinking, oh, this person is causing all the problem and I am stuck. Now, if you keep thinking like that, you won't be able to see a possible solutions which you can discover when you start taking responsibility of, I need to figure it out. So first, take a responsibility that you need to figure it out. Second step, there is no problem with anyone. It's just like people are different. Now you may say, no, how can you say that? We have one person and everybody is irritated from him. Yeah, there is a possibility that this person may have different way of thinking, different set of beliefs which are not fitting with rest of the majority. So there are people who thinks differently and who value different things. And if that is in conflict with your values and ways of thinking, you may have a problem working with that person. So second point, there is no problem with a person, he just have different belief system which I am finding difficult to work with. Third point, now you took the responsibility, you understood there is no problem, it's a different belief system. Third point is know that belief system, know the other person moves. So take it like a game and everybody is playing their moves. Now before you play the game with the other person, you need to understand what kind of a moves, what kind of a behavior this person is exhibiting and what values, what beliefs make him do that. So your third step is start understanding the other person's point of view, what he feels when he does something, what he thinks when he does something, and you start analyzing and understanding that part of it. Now once you understand his moves or his behaviors, then it comes the fourth step. Understand your own moves, your own behavior. Now you may say, oh, I do all the things right, the other person is the only one who is doing all the things wrong. Now it is nothing right and wrong. And whatever you think about your behavior doesn't matter. What matters is what other guy thinks about your behavior. So you might be thinking something and behaving in some particular way and you feel that everybody should understand what I am thinking and doing, but that doesn't help. The other person thinks in a way he perceives you doing things. So you need to understand your moves, your behaviors and impact of your moves and behavior on other person. You also need to understand your moves and behavior from other person's perspective. That's your fourth step. Now fifth step, change your moves, change your behavior. In any relationship, especially if there is a troubling pattern, you have been doing something and not getting result and struggling with that guy, one person cannot play the game. There is always someone else involved, and in this case, you are the one. So you analyzed your behavior, you understood his values, you now need to figure it out, how should I change my behavior, my moves, so that I get different result. I change my game. And game should be changed from the perspective of other person, not from the perspective of your own thinking. Now after taking these 5 steps, the sixth and final step, you gradually start inviting that person in your game. Now you have a new modified behavior which is meant to achieve your objectives, and now you are creating an environment where you are gradually inviting with the help of open-ended questions that, okay, do you like to play this particular game? Because as soon as you start changing, the other person also need to change if he wants to continue playing with you. So that's the final and the sixth step of changing and inviting that guy in your game. Now sometimes you may struggle with a situation. After doing everything, you realize that it's very difficult. I can't change my game and I can't change his game, and this thing is becoming too much, and I applied all the 6-step process, it is not working. Now first thing, when you start changing your moves, step 5, the results will not come like this. Now, till yesterday you were behaving in a particular way. From today you started behaving in a different way. But the other person still perceives you from his background, from his history of interaction with you. So it will take some time before the other person start really appreciating your new behavior. So you can think of a metaphor like that: if one stops eating today, he won't die the next day. It will take some time before he really die, because there is a lot of calorie stores in the body which will keep feeding you for a while. So similarly, if you stop giving him new triggers which brings him react in a different way, but still your old triggers are still there in his or her memory. Yeah, so it will take time before the other person start joining your game, because he need to digest that this is a changed behavior pattern I need to deal with. Now there could be situations sometimes where you just exit the game. So there are situations where you realize that this is something is not working out, and it is not good or bad about that other person. I find that I am finding difficult to play this particular game. Then there is an option of exiting the game. So you can say, okay, I am not playing and I am not here. It can't work. But I feel that's one of the extreme case one might take. Now after knowing all this theory, you may wonder, yeah, great, there are 6 steps and all, but looks like too abstract. So let me give some example. So in my team, there is a person and he get offended very fast. And whenever I make some statement, I challenge him, he takes it as if he is getting attacked. Now, my initial response, okay, what do I do? It's very difficult to work with this guy. How can I work with him? He's the one who is troubling all the movement. And then I realize, okay, I don't get anything by just keep blaming him and keep dreaming about something. I need to take ownership. So I took the ownership and I realized that his value systems are that if he get challenged publicly, he feels that he is not trusted and he is not valued, and he takes it in a very negative way. Then I realize my natural behavior of challenging people, prove that you are right, is not working here. It is going very counter. Then what I need to do? I need to change my behavior. So I stop challenging that person in public. I start doing more difficult conversation in private. Rather than asking him that prove that your statement is right, I start asking more open-ended questions that how can we validate whatever you are saying in a more certain way, that yes, your statement is making a right trend. How can we collect more data, more trend towards this thing? So it's more like, okay, I trust you. I believe whatever you are saying right. How can we strengthen this thing? So rather than challenging, putting it in a different way. So that is, and as I said, it takes time before the other person start appreciating. Now I am not challenging the guy, and then he start responding in a different way. I have a different way of working, and I can figure out how to keep working with that particular person without changing him. And after some time, when the equations becomes better, because now there is no conflict, he is also not getting challenged again and again, and he is feeling comfortable, then he can join my game and we can have more open-ended and more challenging conversation than before. So these are the 6 steps to change someone, not change someone, to work with someone. I developed this 6-step process based on my experience with working people, as well as my study of psychology, which I have been doing from last 6 years. Now, I do understand that you might have also faced something like this in your work environment, and you might have ways of dealing with it. So I would like to know your story, and please share them in the comment section of this particular video.